Our next assignment in Module 3 is Cost of Living. So go ahead and open up that document. And as you can see, it is set up into columns, 5 columns of information: city, cost of living, income, house cost, and degree rate. And they're set off by tabs, you can see in the ruler. But it's hard to read. I think it would be better if it was in a table. So if you select everything from city all the way to Worcester and click Insert, Table, and you'll select Convert Text to Table. It automatically knows there are 5 columns and 30 rows. Go ahead and click OK. While it's still selected, everything is selected, click Table Tools Layout, and you're going to change the height of each row. Instead of 0.19, 0.4. 0.4. The next thing we're going to do is center the text in, we'll start with the first column, A. If you can see Albuquerque, Nashville, they're at the top of the left corner of the cell. So if you select with the arrow pointing down, we'll choose Align Center Left. It just drops it down in the middle of the cell. For the next one, select the whole cell and choose Center. And for the next 2, you can select both of them. Because it's values, you would right align. And then the last one, the last column, do the same thing where you'll do center, align center. Then select the actual first row, which is the column title row. Click the Home tab and increase it to probably size 14, bold. And go back to Table Tools Layout and select Center. Go ahead and select the title, and we can put that in center and make it larger and bold. If you want to change the font type and increase the size a little more, you can change the color, whatever you'd like. So the next thing we're going to do is, right now it's in alphabetic order by city, but what we want to do is put it in descending order based on the house cost. So it'll be the most expensive house first. So what you want to do again is to select the entire table, click the little box in the top left corner, it selects the entire table. Click Table Tools Layout, and there's a sort feature. Make sure, I think right now you probably had it at city, choose Sort by House Cost, and it should come up type, number, and change it from ascending to descending, so it'll be highest to lowest, and your first one should be New York. Scroll down to the bottom, which is now on page 2, and in the last cell, 33%, press Tab. It automatically inserts a new row, type average, colon, and then press Tab twice, and we want to find the average for the third column. What you'll do, it has a calculating feature just like in Excel. You'll click Formula. For the formula, we don't want to add, so we're just going to backspace, get rid of that, and keep the equals. You're going to select Paste Function and look for average, and then you want it to average all of the numbers that are located above. And if I want to have the number sign, the dollar sign showing, I will click the third option and then click OK. Then I'll just click into the next cell and just press F4, and it repeats, giving me the formula above of the average of all of cost of sold. So the next thing we can do, because if we were to view this, so I'll click View Multiple Pages, it's pretty plain. So if you'd like, anywhere in the table, choose Table Tools Design, and in the table styles you can select any design style you'd like. You can change it in your mind, you can change anything you'd like. Now on this one, if you didn't want the blue, heavy blue on the first column, you would choose Uncheck First Column, and it would take the dark blue off. Now, if you notice, it went on to a second page, but you don't have the heading row on the second page, so you wouldn't know what is the column title above Burlington. What you can do, click anywhere in that very first row, click Table Tools Layout, and there's actually a button called Repeat Header Row, and it does it for you. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.